Welcome to Clear State, your sacred space for guided affirmation meditations, designed to empower you to tap into your highest potential and embrace the abundance of life. Today, we embark on a journey of self-empowerment, elevation, and transformation through affirmations that elevate your energy and align you with your true essence. As you listen to this meditation, allow each affirmation to wash over you. Feel the vibration of each word, whether you choose to repeat them silently or aloud. By integrating these affirmations into your daily practice, at the start of your day and before sleep, you will align with the powerful frequency of growth and empowerment. Now, find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Let your body relax and center yourself in the present moment. Allow the soothing sounds around you to create a peaceful space where your mind, body, and spirit can absorb these affirmations of light, love, and growth. Let's begin. I am focusing on my breath. I am returning to my center. I feel safe and empowered. I intend to raise my vibration. I am full of light, joy, and happiness. I am raising my vibration now. I am free. I am in flow. I am flying high. I am one with the light. I am one with the sun. I am one with the earth. I am one with the sky. I am powerful, confident, and unstoppable. I am grateful for the abundance in all areas of my life. Good things are coming to me. Exciting things are happening to me. Every day, in every way, I am growing and expanding. Every day, in every way, I am flourishing and prospering. Every day, in every way, I am leveling up every aspect of my life. I am a radiant being full of light and love. I am shining my light brightly. I am spreading my light and elevating my surroundings. I am shining my light and raising the collective consciousness. Take a moment now to visualize yourself as a beacon of light. See your energy expanding outward, illuminating everything around you. Picture yourself soaring, free and limitless, radiating joy and confidence. Feel the connection to the earth beneath you, the sky above you, and the infinite energy of the universe that flows through you. As you continue to breathe, feel your vibration rising, each affirmation lifting you higher. You are becoming more aligned with your true power, your true purpose. Let the energy of these words fill you with strength, light, and gratitude for the life you are creating. Know that as you embrace this energy of growth, positivity, and love, you are unlocking your limitless potential. Every moment is an opportunity to rise, to shine, and to manifest your dreams into reality. Feel the peace, the empowerment, and the infinite possibilities that are yours. With every breath, you become more attuned to your highest self. You are powerful, you are radiant, and you are capable of achieving anything you desire. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the expansion of your energy. You are ready to embrace the day with clarity, confidence, and a heart full of gratitude.